Vaugh has completed his first build. Now we're gonna do an analysis of how he got to the solution and innovated to the next stage. So, we start with this model, the basic bot. Talk me through how you get to stage 1 and then stage 2.
So when I was first coming on, or making this, I accidentally missed this first, or rather the second level of these 2x6s.
So, did you start with the frame?
I just built out from the middle,
Okay.
from the motor. So I had started with that. Obviously that's not working. I could see the bottom just needs to be longer, or deeper rather. My solution was to add an extra plate, and that still wasn't long enough. I couldn't find another plate of that size, so I added 2 squares.
So in Lego, 3 plates make 1 brick.
Gotcha. Yeah, so that worked. And then I saw over at the other table, I realized, oh, I just need an extra layer.
Okay.
So I did that.
And did you hear me say to the students that the next stage was to integrate the pack, or did you start doing that on your own?
Yeah, I heard you say that. I was like, oh, I could probably figure that out pretty quick. So I looked at the battery pack. I saw it had these holes that would fit a rod, and I figured that's probably the, well, really that's the, I guess it's not the only way. That's probably the best and easiest way to mount it. So I just started looking for all the pieces that could hold a rod, brought them over and started looking at it to see what I could come up with. And the easiest solution was just to mount those 2 there, which fits perfectly in the middle of that. And then to keep it from just sliding out when you go to pick it up, I added a couple of these extenders.
So it's a gravity-based solution.
Yep. I figure I want the weight.
Gravity-based mount, which works.
I
It's
figure,
not the most stable, but it works.
yeah. One of the main concerns with mounting the battery is keeping it balanced. So I figured this is going to be the most centered as far as weight,
Excellent.
relatively anyway.
Excellent. Mission accomplished. Go ahead, run that thing. So a big part of what we teach is solution diversity. What does that mean? There's more than one way to solve a problem. And in 14 years of doing this right now, you're the only person I've ever seen mounted that way. So you learn something new every day in Daylab. That's what this is about. And I love that solution. Job well done.